Okay, we are back, and I was editing the My Story tab, medium, H1, style, wanted to be that, and the topography. I hope I'm saying it right. Typography. Yeah, I think I'm saying it right. Who knows? But I want that to be Verdana. Yep. And that's that. Now, I just did it. I just made it even, but I like these to stand out. I can make it smaller, but I want individuals when they come to my page to be they shouldn't have a hard time locating these tabs, even though it'll be sitting right here at the top. You'd be surprised, just based off of the fact that some individuals they see the opportunity and they don't even navigate the page. You know, a lot of them are just looking for memberships to join. But I like to make this up here as like a header one, so they'll be able to see it. I can make it smaller. I don't want to make it smaller though. I want it to look just like this. Okay. And another thing, you can, if you wanted to, you could adjust, you know, the positioning of these. A lot. You just want to make it even. So to do it as a whole, you just click on this. Okay. And you want to make it. You can either get it boxed, which brings it in a little bit, or you can get it full width, which is what I like. Uh, you can adjust the gaps, no gap, and all of that type of stuff. So I want my content, if I wanted it to be on the bottom, if I wanted to drop it, I would do it like that. But I like everything, a lot of the things I like in the middle. So I want it default, uh, and it looks like this. So boom, I like that. Uh, Now, what I want to do next is, let me just go ahead and update this so it's save. I want to link. If you go here, you see my enroll page, okay? If I go to this was the original page that I had, and I'm basically redoing it. So this was an okay page, but I think I made this too big. I'm not gonna get into it, but this wasn't a bad page. But what I'm gonna do, and I wonder if I can customize this page. I actually edited some of this page by centering it. I took a couple of things out. I made these black because initially I wanted that background, and these colors go so well with that background that I love that gray background. So let's see. I do not know if I don't like that header though. It's just too big. I do not know if it'll let me. I was actually considering doing all of my pages over, because we're coming up on a new year, and I want everything to look really well and really polished. But if this lets me change my color, I will be able to. I don't know if it will though. See, for some reason, it's just not letting me change my color. So I'm going to create new pages for all of these. I won't go through the process of creating all of the pages. I'll just start by showing you these, and you'll just use the same method to create your other pages. You'll design them to how you want them to be. But this is, how the layout would be when you're using Elementor. Okay. So I'm going to go here, and what I'm going to do is what I was going to do. I think the only page. Oh, where's my call center page? Join. Oh, yeah, I'm missing a page. So I wonder. Hmm. Hmm. Home membership. Join. FAQ info. What is? Let me see what this info page is. It's basically get info. Rep clients list. Hmm. know what? I am going to scratch that, and I'm going to put swap these, because call center is basically the job opportunity. Call center. I'm gonna put this as FAQ, and you basically customize this to how you want to. Okay. There's going to be other ways that I'll be able to direct my prospect to a bunch of training and stuff like that, videos or whatever the case may be. But for my main page, these are the headers that I want on mine, and I'll update that. But my call center page is the one that I'm just going to go ahead and enter the URL. Now keep in mind, once I'm done creating this page, I am going to link my domain name and all of that stuff to it. So I'll make a video for that as well. But for my call center page, because this call center page basically shows the opportunity right here. Yep. So I'm going to take this, copy it, go to Elementor to this new page, call center. If I click on it, you get that. But what I want to do is I want to put that link in there. So in order to put that link in there, you see paste URL. Put this link in here. I'm going to paste it. And this is the link to the page that I just, to this page. And I actually want to make this lighter. So in order to make, I know this one works because oh, excuse me. I did that one myself, but I want to, this is what it's supposed to do. And I'm changing the colors. So I want that a little lighter. I'm just going to hit publish. Scroll down, X that. I just don't want it to be too dark. And it's not this anymore, it's lighter. So I'm going to go here. I entered that in. I'm going to update it. That way, when I go to my page and I click on call center, it's going to take me to my call center page that I created. And it's the same thing for all of these other sublinks. If you have a join page, like I do here, basically what you'll do is if you create a new page and you create these up top, and I'm gonna go back, and you go to join. Basically, the only thing you do when you click on join right here, whatever page it goes to, you take that link and you just enter it right here. That way, when they click on join, it'll go to that page. And it goes like that all the way down the grid. Call center, just like the page I just did. If you have an FAQ page, the same thing. And in all honesty, my FAQ page will be the same. So I will go ahead and do that. I don't. I think it. Ah man. Yeah, it's okay because it's this page. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and link my FAQ page because I'm not gonna change that. That they did a really good job at creating that page. They did a really good job at creating all of the pages. You just have the option to customize them to how you want them to be. So if this is the FAQ page, I did that. Up, time limit's running out. This is the free version. I will be back on the next page. See you later.